how to get Gorilla Tag Plush in the game. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a Gorilla Tag Plush or similar cosmetics in the game. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. So to get Gorilla Tag cosmetics, follow these steps. Step 1. Earn or buy shiny rocks. Play the game daily to earn free shiny rocks. Or you can also buy shiny rocks in the game with real money. Step 2. Visit the in-game store. Head over to the city map in Gorilla Tag and enter the store and look for various cosmetics like hats, masks, gloves, or other accessories that you can buy with shiny rocks. Step 3. Check for seasonal events. Sometimes new or limited edition items are added during special events or updates, so keep an eye out for new cosmetics during those times. So that's how you can get Gorilla Tag cosmetics in the game. That's all for this video.